Hey guys, welcome. It's kind of a monumental occasion. This is the first time, to my knowledge, that an RC vehicle of any kind has touched the ground down at the Bull Creek Proving Compound. Or Proving Grounds, I'm sorry. So excited, I'm fucking my speech up. I haven't done anything here. I just brought the old trusty Deadbolt out here in the woods. Walk around here and see if I can find some spot to drive on without doing any work. Because what could be better, right? Now, I must admit, I did a test run. I know this thing will make it up this hill because I just did it. Whoa, baby. Hold on. It's a mildly modified Deadbolt. It's got a bunch of integy stuff on it. Doing it the old-fashioned way with my cheap Chinese camera that did survive that E-Revo attack last week. Oh boy. Don't look down, Deadbolt. Whoa. Come on, baby. She made it. Okay, that was... I don't know if that was the easy part. The Deadbolt needs some tuning. It's got some wicked torque steer. I don't remember it being like that before. Okay, Deadbolt going up a tree. Hopefully not falling off a tree because that would be pretty bad for the Deadbolt. Could be the first RC broken at Bull Creek Proving Grounds. Good luck, Deadbolt. Seems really cool driving up, but coming back down is going to suck. If it falls down, it's going to be all done. Old Deadbolt. I think it's any further up that tree, I might have to call the fire department to come and rescue my Deadbolt. I don't even know how to get the camera pointed at the son of a bitch. That's up there higher than I thought it was. Whoa. Oh, shit. That ain't good. The ground is soft enough, it might not destroy it if it falls off there. I don't know about you guys, but I don't really like seeing my rig up that high. Whoa. Shit. Oh boy. This ain't good. Oh fuck. Sorry, Deadbolt. Oh! I just dropped my deadbolt from about 10 foot up in that tree right there. And it's still in one piece. It's got a little rip in the body. I call that a small price to pay. This is why you don't climb trees with your rock crawlers, kids. Whoops. Deadbolt and I having good luck with trees today.